Step 1. Open the box. Take out the product and lay out the parts. Step 2. Insert the rivet nut into the original vehicle's hole. Then insert the ball studs and tighten it. Remove the bolt and bracket on the left side of the original vehicle's tailgate. Step 3. Place the washer on the bolt. Pass it through the hole of the bracket and secure it tightly with a nut. Step 4. According to the video, install the tailgate assist on the upper bracket. Fix the other end of the tailgate assist on the bracket on the left side of the tailgate.